my little kids. Kids, it's English time again. And today we are going to learn one new capital letter. But before we start, can you tell me which is the first letter of English alphabet? Right, capital letter A. And kids, which letter you have learnt in last video? Yes, capital letter Y. And what comes after Y? Yes, capital letter Z. And do you know? Z is last letter of English alphabet. Kids, today we are going to learn capital letter Z. And Z says Z. Z says Z. Now I will show you how to write capital letter Z in the air. Sleeping line, slanting line and sleeping line. Capital letter Z. Now let's learn more about letter Z.
Now let's do one nice activity. See children, these are pista shell and using this shell we are going to make one capital letter. Okay, so first we will make one sleeping line like this. Okay, then from here we will make one slanting line like this. Okay, then again we will make one sleeping line like this. Okay, see which letter is this? Yes, capital letter Z. Sleeping line, slanting line, then sleeping line. Using this pistachio shell, we have made capital letter Z.
Z is for zebra, zebra. Z is for zoo, zoo. Z is for zebra crossing, zebra crossing. Z is for zigzag, zigzag.
Now let's see how to write capital letter Z in red and blue lines. First we will make sleeping line on first red line. Then make slanting line and touch the second blue line. Then sleeping line on second blue line. Capital letter Z. One more time. Sleeping line on first red line. Then make slanting line and touch the second blue line. Then again sleeping line on second blue line. Capital letter Z.
In your ABC fun book, open page number 6161. Capital letter Z. Z for zither. Zither is a musical instrument made from wood. Z for zebra. Zebra is a wild animal which has black and white stripes on its body. Z for zinnia. Zinnia is a flower which is found in different colors. Z for zebra crossing. Zebra crossing is seen on the road and children, we should always cross the road on the zebra crossing. Z for zigzag. Zigzag is a type of pattern. So we will revise one more time. Z for zither. Z for zebra. Z for zinnia. Z for zebra crossing. Z for zigzag.
Now let's write capital letter Z in notebook. First we have to put 5 ticks. Then keep your finger on first tick. Make sleeping line on first red line. Then slanting line, touch the second blue line and sleeping line on second blue line. Capital letter Z. Again sleeping line on first red line. Then slanting line, touch the second blue line. Then sleeping line on second blue line. Capital letter Z. Sleeping line, slanting line, again sleeping line. Capital letter Z. Same way you have to write capital letter Z in these both lines.
Now let's draw Z for zip. Start from here and make slanting line. Then go up and make V. Now from here make one small slipping line and here also make one small slipping line. Then from here make one slanting line, then stop. This side also make slanting line, then stop. Now from here make one standing line. Here also make standing line and join with slipping line. Then here make two small standing lines and join with curve. Now from here make one standing line. Then make small slipping lines. Now from here make small slipping lines. This side also make small slipping lines. This is Z for zip.
Kids, we have learned our last letter, that is capital Z. And now we will see how to write alphabet A to Z together in one page in red and blue line book, okay? Here we will write capital A. Leave 2 finger space and then write capital letter B. And what will come after B? Correct. C. Again leave 2 finger space. Write capital letter C. Leave 2 finger space and write capital letter D. Now we have to write all the letters below these letters only, okay? After D what will come? E. So we will write here capital letter E. Leave 2 finger space. F. Leave 2 finger space and write capital G. Leave 2 finger space. H. Now on the next line below E we will write capital letter I. Again leave 2 finger space. J. Leave 2 finger space. K. After K what will come? L. So leave 2 finger space and write capital L. On the next line we will write capital letter M below I. Again leave 2 finger space. N. Again leave 2 finger space. O. 2 finger space and then write capital letter P. After P what will come? Q. So below M we will write capital Q. Leave 2 finger space. R. 2 finger space. S. 2 finger space. T. On the next line we will write capital letter U. 2 finger space. V. Again 2 finger space. W. 2 finger space. X. On the next line we will write capital letter Y. Again leave 2 finger space and write letter Z. Understood, kids? So this way you have to write alphabet A to Z in your red and blue line book daily and practice. On page number 6 to 62, capital letter Z. Here draw one related picture for Z. In this box you have to draw Z for zip. Now trace and write. We are going to trace on the dotted line and write capital Z. On the dotted line make slipping line, slanting line and slipping line. Capital letter Z. You have to trace all these Z. Okay. Now we will write in red and blue line. On the red line make slipping line. From red line to second blue line slanting line. And on second blue line slipping line. Capital letter Z. Same way you will complete all these boxes. Now it's time to do exercise. Tick the boxes of only those pictures that begin with Z. Kids, here some pictures are given and we have to tick in the box of the picture which starts with letter Z. Which picture is this? Zebra crossing. So what we will do in this box? We have to tick. Like this. In the box we will tick. Now next picture is of lips. What for lips? L for lips. So we will tick here. No, we will not tick because it doesn't start with letter Z. Now next picture is of cat. What for cat? C for cat. So we will tick here. No. And the last picture is of zip. So what for zip? Correct. Z for zip. So we will again put a tick here. Now on next page play with exercise is given. Okay. Number 1. Write the missing letters from A to Z. Kids, here missing letters we have to write from A to Z. See, capital letter A is given. After A, what will come? B, then C, then D, then E is already written. Then what will come? F, then G. After G, what will come? H, I, J. Then K is already written here. After K, L, M. And then N is already written over here. After N, what will come? O. Then P, Q. Then what will come? R. It is already written, so we will not write. After R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. And then Z is already written. So you will complete this exercise in this way. Okay. Now, question number 2. Write the capital letter for the given pictures. Kids, here some pictures are given and we have to write capital letter over here. Okay. Which is the first picture? Yes, it's yak. So you will write here capital Y. Then the picture is of Zinnia. What for Zinnia? Yes, Z for Zinnia. So you will write here capital letter Z. Then this is the picture of vulture. What will you write here? Capital V. Kids, which picture is this? Unicycle. So you will write here capital U. This picture is of wing. So we will write here capital W. And the last picture is of X-ray. X-ray of hands. So we will write here capital letter X. Okay kids? Bye bye.